In every walk with nature, we receive more than we seek, and the forests around us are the earth's lungs, and we are its breath. And when we touch the earth, we touch the heart of the divine. This is the art of the nature, and we need more of that part of nature rather than nature needs us, and we require more nature around us. We want to have more forests, more water, clean air, clean atmosphere, clean surrounding, clear surrounding. And nature needs our intentions, our capabilities, our efforts to create that environment that would sustain in future. We require all of these things more than that, more than anything else, more than nature needs us. So we need to understand the fact that we are part of the environment or surrounding or system, whatever you say. Without nature, we cannot exist. Without the species in nature, we cannot exist. We need to understand that. We need to realize that this is the time to act.